My dear students, as I have told you, two types of construction will be asked in the CBSE exam this year. One, type divide a line segment in the ratio m is to n internally, and other is in each of the following give also the justification of construction. मतलब NCERT में 5-6 सवाल है. There are 5 or 6 problems in NCERT, and we have already solved almost all the problems. And in circle you have to draw tangents from external point to this point, tangent from external point to the circle. यही चीज़ सीखना है. इसी को different type you have to solve, you have to construct. Again I want to recall you, when you will write steps, you must write in passive voice. Problem number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. Here, what do you observe? This is a circle. C1 is a circle. C1 is a circle having radius 6 cm, and there is a point P from the center of the circle at a distance 10 cm away from the center of the circle. So this is 6 cm. So we produce this line up to P, and OP is 10 cm. Now we draw a tangent from P to the circle C1. How will you draw? My dear student, you must observe this step. This step is common in all the problems. We draw perpendicular bisector of the line OP, and a circle C2 will pass from the center O and P, because L is the center of the circle C2. How will you get center? We draw perpendicular bisector of the line OP. Of course, OP will be the diameter of the circle C2. And now locate the point where this circle C2 intersect circle C1, and it intersect at the point A and B. We join the point PB and PA, and join also OA and OB. Of course, P and PB are the tangents. P and PB are the tangents. My dear students, I want to again repeat it. We draw a circle C1 having radius 6 cm and center O, and produce it up to P, so that the distance of OP is 10 cm. Now we draw perpendicular bisector of OP, and L is a point of perpendicular bisector. And now, considering OP as diameter, we draw a circle C2. Draw a circle C2. It intersect C1 at A and B. Join BP and BA. BP and BA. So, my dear students, in this way we draw tangents from external point to the circle. A circle of radius 6 cm is drawn. This is the step, first step. A point P is taken outside the circle such that OP is equal to 10 cm. Perpendicular bisector of OP is drawn, meeting OP at L. with L as center and OL as radius. A circle is drawn meeting the given circle at A and B. P and PB are joined. P and PB are the required tangents. PA is equal to 8 centimeter and PB is equal to 8 centimeter also. Now, you can see here, this is 10 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. So, from the right angle triangle, 10 square minus 6 square is equal to PB square. That is 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. So, PB is equal to 8. In this way, we can do the construction, problem number 1. Now, what is in problem number 2? Problem number 2 is very, very important. This type of question is also in CBSE simple paper. So, you must try to understand each and every step. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter and a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. My dear students, we here take two circles. Here bigger circle is having radius 6 centimeter. Construct a circle of radius 4 centimeter. A smaller circle C1 is 4 centimeter and bigger circle C2 is having radius 6 centimeter. And we draw two tangents from the bigger circle to the smaller circle. This is the problem. Try to understand the problem. So, how will you construct it? Now, O is the center of the circle C1 and C2. Now, we proceed, we join OP. We join OP, take a point P on the circle C2 and we join from the center of the circle C1 and C2 having same center is known as concentric circle. Now we draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Suppose this is point L. L is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now if we will draw a circle having center L and radius LP, we observe that it passes through O. So, the circle C3, dotted circle is circle C3. Circle C3 intersect circle C1 at the point A and circle C1 at the point B. Try to understand. C3 is a circle which we get by joining the OP, line OP and taking its perpendicular bisector and the point of perpendicular bisector as center, we get circle C3. Now circle C3 intersect circle C1 at point A and B. Joining point AP and AB, we get the required tangents. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप हमेशा देख रहे हैं कि एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से टेंजेंट डालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से सेंटर तक सर्किल के लाइन का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर खींचते हैं और एक तीसरा सर्किल बनाते हैं या एक दूसरा सर्किल बनाते हैं जहाँ ज़रूरत होता है और तब हम जहाँ सर्किल काटता है उस पॉइंट को एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से मिला के टेंजेंट बनाते हैं. देयर इज ए टेल क्वेश्चन इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. There is a tail question in this problem. What is? You have to calculate the length of the tangent. In triangle AOP, OA is equal to 4 centimeter, OP is equal to 6 centimeter. So AP is equal to OP square minus OA. 6 square minus 4 square. 36 minus 16. Root 20. 4.47. That is 4.5 centimeter. This is the length of tangent of the circle. Now, this problem number 3 is in the CBSE question set. So, this is same as the problem number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 2.8 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. Of course, radius 4.2 centimeter is a bigger circle and radius circle having radius 2.8 is a smaller circle. So we construct a circle, take a circle having center O and radius 2.8 centimeters. Suppose this is C1. Now having same center, we take another circle having radius 4.2 centimeter. So C2 is the bigger circle. Now we join, we take a point P on the bigger circle and join it from the center. And now draw the perpendicular bisector of the line OP. Suppose it intersect the OP at the point M. Now considering M as center, we take third circle C3. The dotted circle here represent C3. This C3 circle intersect C1 at the point A and B. Now join P and PB. Of course, P and PB are the tangents. And how will you calculate? We join AOA, join OB. So here, what do you observe? PAO is right angle triangle. PBO is right angle triangle. What do you observe here? PA is equal to OP square minus OA square. PB is equal to OP square minus OB square. So now, in this way, we will get the length of the tangent. PA and PB are equal. So my dear student, this we have written here in the form of steps of construction. Two concentric circle of radii 2.8 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter are drawn. First step. P is a point on the circle with radii 4.2 centimeter. Bigger circle per point P लिए. Perpendicular bisector of OP is drawn meeting OP at M. With M as center and OM as radius. A circle is drawn meeting the circle with radius 2.2 centimeter at A and B. P and PB are joined. P and PB are the required tangents. On measuring the lengths, AP is equal to BP is equal to 3.13 centimeter. Here, the length of tangent, PO. You know the length of PO and you length of OA. So, now PA can be determined as OP square plus OA square. OP square, this is perpendicular. So, OP square minus OA square is equal to AP square. By using this formula, you can verify this length which you have determined hereby measuring the length AP and PB. You must keep in mind P and PB should be equal. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये आपको ध्यान देना होगा और वेरीफाई करना होगा कि ये सही है या नहीं, और इक्वल कैलकुलेशन से जो आवे वही लेंथ लिखना चाहिए. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई वांट टू डिस्कस. My dear students, now I want to solve problem number 3 of NCERT. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So my dear student, we first draw a circle having center O and radius 3 centimeter. So this C1 is the first circle. And in this problem it is given that, what is given? We proceed this diameter AB and it is given that draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter, take 2 points P and Q on its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. ये तो 3 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ से यहाँ 3 सेंटीमीटर तो हो ही गया. यहाँ से हम भी 4 सेंटीमीटर इधर बढ़ा दिए और इधर भी 4 सेंटीमीटर बढ़ा दिए. So what do you observe? We observe that draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. My dear students, now you proceed here 4 centimeter and here is also 4 centimeter. And now you draw here PQ is a line, PQ is a line. We take perpendicular bisector of OQ and also perpendicular bisector of OP. Suppose foot of the perpendicular bisector of OP is L and foot of the perpendicular bisector of OQ is L1. So considering L as center, we consider circle C2, and considering L dash as center, we consider circle C3. So what do you observe? This circle C2 and C3 both intersect the circle C1. Circle C2 intersect at the point S and T, and circle C3 intersect at the point S dash and T dash. So when you join PS and PT, we have 2 tangents, and also when we join QS and QT dash, we have also 2 tangents, and the length of the tangents are equal. So in this way, we can PS, PT and QS dash QT are the required tangents. In this way, we get tangents. We draw tangents from the external point P and Q to the circle C1. Now, I have written here a circle steps, a circle of 3 centimeter radius is drawn. Point P and Q are taken on extended diameter AB such that OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ. Perpendicular bisector of OP and AQ are drawn, meeting OP at L and OQ at L dash. With L and L dash as center and OL and OL dash as radii, circle are drawn, meeting the circle at S and T, meeting the circle C1 at S and T and S dash T dash respectively. This is circle C1. So PS and PT and QS dash and QT are the required tangent. और ये PS और PT का लेंथ तो बराबर होगा ही, लेकिन QS डैश और QT डैश का भी लेंथ बराबर होगा. क्योंकि क्यों बराबर होगा? इसलिए ये जो डायमीटर दोनों है OQ एंड OP बोथ आर इक्वल, तो रेडियस ऑफ C2 एंड C3 आर इक्वल. दैट्स वाई लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट PS एंड PT is equal to QS dash and QT dash. My dear student, you must read the problem sincerely and you must try to write the steps in passive voice. Now, we want to solve problem number 4 of NCERT. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. This is a circle of radius 5 centimeter. And you make an angle 120 degree at the point of center. Suppose we take OB, and considering OB as base, we make an angle of 120 degree and join it to the point A. Then also here we at the point B we make an angle of 90 degree, and also at point A we make an angle of 90 degree and produced it. Now it will intersect at the point P. So what do we observe? We observe that POB is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is 90, this is 90, 180, this is 120. So this will be 60 degree automatically. So you write this step. A circle with center O and radius 5 centimeter is drawn. Taking a radius OB as base and O as center, an angle of diameter 120 degree is constructed. So angle AOB is 120 degree. Tangents AP and BP are drawn to the circle at A and B, meeting each other at P. Then P and PB are the required tangent such that angle APB is equal to 60 degree. Angle APB is equal to 60 degree. Now my dear students, we want to solve problem number 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. This AB is of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Suppose this is C1, radius 4 centimeter. Taking another circle, suppose this is C1 and this is C2. This is C1 and this is C2. Taking A as center, we draw a circle, and taking B as center, we draw a circle, and at point A, we draw a circle having radius 4 centimeter, and at the point B, we draw a circle having radius 3 centimeter. So C1 and C2 are two circles. Now we join AB and draw perpendicular bisector of AB. Suppose here is how many centimeter? 8 centimeter. Length between A and B is 8 centimeter. Of course, perpendicular bisector touch the circumference of the circle C1. So this is point L. This is point L. Taking L as center, we take a dotted circle C3. What do you observe? This dotted circle C3 intersects C1 at the point S dash and T dash, and intersect C2 at the point S and T. So join AS and AT are the tangent on C2, and BS dash and BT dash both are tangents on C1. My dear students, in this way, what do you observe? In each and every problem, you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of the line segment which joins the center of the circle. हमेशा हर सवाल में एक परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर डालना ही पड़ता है जो दोनों सर्किल के सेंटर को ज्वाइन करे, दो सर्किल के लिए। और एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट के से भी हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट और सर्किल के सेंटर को जोड़ करके उसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर निकालते हैं, और तब एक दूसरा सर्किल परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर के फुट को सेंटर मान के खींचते हैं। नाउ वी हैव रिटन दिस स्टेप। ए लाइन सेगमेंट AB is 8 centimeter is drawn. With A as center, a circle of radius 4 centimeter is drawn, and with B as center, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is drawn. Perpendicular bisector of AB is drawn, meeting AB at L. AB at L. With L as center and L as radius of a circle, a circle is drawn meeting a smaller circle at S and T, and longer circle at S dash and T dash. AS, AT and BS dash, BT dash are joined. Thus AS, AT and BS dash, BT dash are the required tangents. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस तरह एक सवाल को छोड़ करके, चूँकि उसमें थोड़ा बिना कंपास का वो बनेगा नहीं हाथ से, इसलिए मैंने उसको नहीं बनाया, और सारा सवाल इसको NCERT के टेंजेंट टू ए सर्किल का बनाया। आशा है, आई होप यू बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द स्टेप ऑफ all the construction which we have discussed here, now you would be able to solve the problem of CBSE examination. Thank you very much.